the grit and grime of the bulk material handling industry. A torture test for man and machine alike. These are punishing conditions that play havoc with even the best designed equipment, day in and day out. This is the world where machines are constantly exposed to the harshest elements. These extremes, as well as the difficulty of regular on-the-spot maintenance, eventually take their toll. Yet there is one conveyor belt tracking system that is specially designed and manufactured to take this kind of punishment without flinching. It is the conveyor belt tracking system from Tru Trac rollers. Manufactured in South Africa, built from the best quality materials and components, designed to last, and installed to continue working under the toughest possible conditions. Tru Tracs mean less downtime, more productivity, and better safety. But what lies behind the Tru Trac belt trainer system's impressive performance? A brilliant yet unbelievably simple design. Tru Tracs do more than just look good. They kick in immediately as the costly belt begins to track offline without the assistance of damaging guide rolls or expensive and temperamental electronic sensors. Quick and automatic corrective action prevents the possibility of serious damage to the belt and conveyor system support frames. Conveyor belt systems are kept centered by the Tru Trac tracking system, whatever the working conditions. It's the world's first true tracking roller, backed up by Tru Trac Rollers, a company which specializes exclusively in conveyor belt tracking technology that has developed a unique knowledge and expertise in this field. At the heart of the unique system is an internal central pivot consisting of a stainless steel pin within a solid mild steel center. Due to the different composition of the materials, it excludes the possibility of seizure of the unit, and as an additional precaution, an anti-seize compound is added, and the whole unit is then seal-welded for life. Tru Trac's operational success is based upon the fact that there is equal pressure and contact across the entire width of the belt. This is achieved by the central pivot mechanism, which always remains perpendicular to the plane of the belt. As the belt begins to move off-center, it makes contact with the tapered section of the tracker on that side of the belt. The force generated by the difference between the peripheral speeds on and off the taper causes the tracker to pivot on its center pivot. As a result, the skew tracker immediately steers the belt back to its central position. The extent to which it pivots depends on how much the belt has moved off-center. Tru Trac trackers are available in 3 versions: the flat return, the dual return, and the trough. The flat return tracker is used to align the return side of the belt. As the recipient of the SABS Design Award in the engineering category, it is a tracker system that has proven its worth on many conveyor belts, both locally and internationally. The dual return tracker is designed to align the return side of wide, high-speed, high-tension, heavy conveyor belts. The advantage of the split configuration has resulted in highly responsive and sensitive tracking action. Individual tracking rolls can be easily replaced as wear occurs. The trough tracker is used to align the load-carrying side of conveyor belts. The design ensures that no 90-degree contact with belt edge occurs. Rather, the belt slides up the wing rolls, which, with minimum pressure, activates the tracking mechanism. Tru Trac tracking systems are manufactured to the most exacting quality standards, in accordance with local and international specifications. Tru Trac has successfully proven itself in solving the problems experienced with tracking and alignment of conveyor belts in the bulk material handling industries of South Africa, USA, Canada, Australia, and United Kingdom. Tru Trac tracking systems are characterized by easy installation and low maintenance. A vibration-free rolling action by way of its rubberized drum ensures good contact and traction between the surface of the belt and the tracker. Adjustable mounting brackets that fit almost any stringer configuration enable the tension and tracking angle to be easily adjusted. The central pivot pin that never seizes is a simple yet effective design. The ability to operate free of contact with belt edges, as well as hassle-free operation in extreme conditions, whether on dry or wet belts, ensure that Tru Trac is the most effective conveyor belt tracking system for all mining and industrial applications. Built for long-term, hassle-free performance without compromise, Tru Trac, cutting-edge belt tracking technology in which simplicity is a sign of quality.